Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying essentials. Ensure your Ps5 and controller firmware are current because outdated firmware often breaks audio routing. Once done, inspect cables, HDMI, any optical adapter, and the dual sense jack for snug fits and visible damage. Next, open Settings, go to Sound, and pick your output device. This forces the console to reinitialize audio. Make sure to switch between headphones and TV speakers to trigger the hardware to detect the correct path and reveal obvious faults. Now you dig into routing. Choose Sound Audio Output device and toggle through HDMI, controller/headset, and USB to see which yields sound. While here, set the HDMI device type correctly and tweak 3D audio and volume levels so the Ps5 processes effects properly. Then launch a game or media with clear sound cues to test left/right balance and dialogue. If you hear only one channel, recheck cables and swap ports. This isolates whether the problem is source, cable, or console. Finish by power cycling everything. Fully shut down the Ps5, unplug power and peripherals for 60 seconds, then reconnect. This clears transient audio glitches. If issues persist, reset the controller or try a different headset and alternate USB/HDMI ports to pinpoint faulty hardware. Make sure to test with another TV or receiver if available. As a final step only, backup saves and perform a console settings reset. This can clear corrupt configuration that blocks audio, but it's reversible only with a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.